Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. That saves time at the outset. Once done, buy the Summer eSIM plan and keep the QR or activation code handy on another device. Make sure to enable Wi-Fi and switch to airplane mode before adding the profile so network conflicts don't block activation. You'll add a new cellular plan in settings, scan the QR, and give the plan a clear label so you can switch between profiles quickly. Now you configure the profile itself. Scan the QR or manually enter the SMDP Plus address and activation code. This is the technical step that actually provisions the line. Once the plan appears, assign it for data only or both data and voice, depending on your summer needs, and set the eSIM as the default data line. Make sure to set data limits and disable automatic carrier switching. That prevents surprise charges and keeps your preferred line active while you travel. Finish by restarting your phone, verifying signal bars, and running a quick data speed or web test to confirm service. Once connected, make sure your apps use the eSIM data and that iMessage or similar services are set to the right number. If the eSIM does not connect, switch profiles in settings to force a refresh. If that fails, re-scan the QR or request a reissue from the provider. That single troubleshooting step fixes most activation hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.